You want some treats? This is what the little mommy does all the time. You want some treats? Hey, come here. You want some treats? You want some treats? Come here. Come here and get some treats. Hey, you want some treats? Come out and get your treats. Come here. That's too yummy. Come here, you want some treats? Come here. Want some treats? Want some treats? Want some treats? No, baby, you're not having the treats. You're too young. You're too young for those treats. You want some treats? You want some treats? Here, you want some treats? Come here. Come here. You want some treats? Want some treats? Come here. Get it. Here, catch it. I'm gonna pick the fish. I'm gonna pick the fish one. Here, get it. Get it. Oh no, that fish flew away. Okay. Oh, it flew away. Oh, watch. One fish swimming. 2 fish swimming. 3 fish swimming. 4 fish swimming. And 5 fish swimming. Look. Get some treats. Come here, get some treats. Get the treats. Do you want to eat some fish? Come here. Get some treats. Why are you not getting some treats? Excuse me. You want some treats? Come here. You need some treats? You want some treats? Come here. Come here, get the treats. You want some treats? Too cute. You want some treats? You want some treats? Come here. Hi. Hi, little SpongeBob. Oh, no, no, sorry. I'm just gonna call you SpongeBob. You want some treats? Hey. Hi, SpongeBob fan. You want some treats? SpongeBob fan, you want some treats? You want some treats? You want some treats? I'm gonna go in there and I want to get you a treat. Ugh. Get some treats. You want some treats? No, baby, you're not having some. You're too young for treats. You want some treats? Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Just kidding. No, you're not gonna have some treats. You're not gonna have some treats. That you're too young. You're a newborn kitten. You can't have treats. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you, Black Kitty. Do not try to get the treats. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Come here, kitty. Get the treats. Want some treats? You want some treats? You want some treats? No, Black Cat. No treats for you. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. No treats for you. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you, please. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you, Black Cat. You're not going to get some treats. You're too young. No, you're just a newborn kitty. You're still a newborn kitty. You're not going to get some treats. No, no, no. No, thank you, please. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you, please. Here, get some yummy. Get a yummy fish. It's swimming. Hey, no kitties. Do not yell. You're too young for treats. I'm talking to the cat. Okay, get the treats, cat. Get the treats, mommy. Come here, get someone want some treats. Hey, oh. I'm gonna put you one on your leg. Want some treats? Want some treats? Okay, catch it. Uh-oh, you dropped some. Right here, kitty. No, kitties. You're too young for treats. You're still a newborn kitty. You're not old enough to get some treats. You're not old enough to get some treats. Oh, I'm gonna move the plate. Okay. Get some treats. You want some treats? Want some treats? Want some treats? Okay. I don't think she wants some.